John again. Here's a tool I got, a tool only. Got it to cut these. We turn off this heater. Yeah, it's a tool only. I got it to cut my half-inch steel rebar for my railing. Finally getting back to working on it, but thought I'd do a little demonstration of how it cuts. It cuts really nice. Thought about getting a saw blade for my chop box, but I figured I'd use this for other things as well. I was using a cutoff wheel in my grinder, but it was making such terrible dust in here. I ended up getting this, but I really like it. It works really well. Here, I'll do a demonstration. It's real easy to put the blade in. Just pull this lever, take the battery out, obviously. These pop down, and then this lever here tightens the belt. This way is tight, and then back this way releases the tension, and you can take the blade off. But there you have it. Does a nice job, and not much dust at all. So, all right, you guys have a good one. God bless.